So, okay. Did it hurt when you fell out of heaven?
Oh.
Do you have a sunburn? No, it's not hot.
Damn.
So, what were you guys talking about so seriously?
Oh, we're just talking about the nerd. He's such a mysterious character.
Oh, that guy? I've heard about him too.
You know what she said? She said he could be an alien.
An alien? Really? My friends told me about the Prince of Chung Dynasty. That doesn't look anything like him.
Really?
Yeah. Well, whatever. It's not the Prince or the Chung Dynasty.